How to translate voice message in WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to teach you how you can do it. So without any delay, let's start the video. For that, you can head over to WhatsApp application. And then once you head over to WhatsApp, you should be finding this interface. From here, you can head over to the chat where the voice message is. For example, this one right here. So in order to translate it into a language, what you can do is, first thing is you need to have the option turned on. So for that, head back to your home page and look out for the three dot at the top right corner. And after tapping on it, go ahead and select up settings. And once you open up settings, you need to scroll down and look for the chats option. And once you head over to chats, you may scroll down and look for voice message transcripts option. So go ahead and tap on it. And if you have not set any language, you can set up your transcript language and you can select receive transcripts manually. After that, head back. Once it is turned on, you can head back to the chat and look for the voice message. For example, this one right here, you may long press on the voice message and then go ahead and tap on the three dot at the top and look for the option called transcribe, and it should start transcribing your voice message. So wait for it to translate completely, and that is it. That is how you basically translate. You can see the translation right here, and you can also follow the same process in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.